What's up guys, Sparky Izzy here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you what things you need to shorten your holiday lights so they can be the exact length of your home. Alright, so I'm sure you ran into a situation before where your holiday lights are either too short or too long. So there's something that I do every year that helps me get them to the exact length, and this is how I do it. So the first time that I ever installed these Christmas lights, what I did is I put labels to help me determine exactly where certain lights go. So on a peak, I put a label on the right and left side of that specific light, so I knew that it went on a peak. On the left side of the strand, I put that it was on the left side of the house, and on the right side of the strand, I put that it was on the right side of the house, and that'll let me know that as I'm installing it, it's going in the right spot. You can buy a strand of holiday lights without the bulbs installed. I believe this one's a 500-foot roll, and what you do is you install them on your house exactly how you want it, and then you cut the end, and once you cut it, you install a male plug on one side and a female plug on the other side, and now you're permanently making it a holiday light strand. There's different size lamps that you can get. The ones that I got are C9 lamps and C9 sockets, so you just got to make sure that the strand of lights that you get matches with the same size bulb that you decide to use. If not, they won't fit. Stay tuned to see the end result. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Sparky, Izzy, peace.